Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Sketchpad and creating a new file. Pick a canvas size that matches output needs so you don't rescale later. Once done, select a primary brush and set the base color to establish tonal range. Make sure to enable layers right away. Layers keep edits non-destructive and speed adjustments. Also check opacity and smoothing. Lower opacity for subtle strokes, smoothing for cleaner lines. These first steps prevent rework and make the rest of the process faster and predictable. Now refine. Create a sketch layer, then add an ink layer above to trace cleaner lines. This separation keeps choices reversible. Use selection and transform to position elements precisely and enable snap or grid for alignment when required. For color, block base fills on a separate layer, then add shading with lower flow and variable brush size. Once your elements are positioned, use blending modes for highlights and multiply for shadows to build depth without repainting pixels. Finish by checking canvas resolution and trimming transparent edges so export matches intended use. Choose format: PNG for lossless, JPG for smaller files, SVG for vectors, PSD for layered edits. When exporting, confirm color profile and file dimensions. If something goes wrong, like missing layers or unexpected flattening, reopen history or the layered PSD, toggle visibility, and re-export only the needed layers. If performance lags, simplify visible layers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.